Version 6.9 of Stratum.Viewer is the result of Silvon's plan to improve viewers' usability, making it more intuitive so every user, regardless of their level, can find value and use Stratum. In version 6.5, it was the filter window for centralized management of all filters in a view. In 6.6, we gave you the new display options window to edit many view properties at once. 6.7 allowed you to track views and tag them as favorites within the new Favorite and Recently Used Views window. 6.8 introduced the navigation panel, which included shortcuts to move through views and add levels. And now, version 6.9 has streamlined the workflow for your frequent and most popular view editing tasks. Users of all experience levels can accomplish things efficiently and confidently. To help you find major features quicker, the Viewer toolbar was reorganized to group together icons for similar types of tasks: saving views, exporting view data, adjusting the display of data, filtering and adding new measure items to get the exact data needed for analysis, and answers to your viewer questions at your fingertips with the enhanced online help. The Filters icon is a visual cue letting you know right away if the view is filtered. Red icon indicates that a filter is applied. A star player in streamlining common view editing tasks is this new icon for managing measure items from one central spot. Easily add, hide, edit, copy, and delete measure items to quickly shape the data needed for analysis. I'm going to start with this monthly sales report comparing product brands within division, current month this year to last year. This new icon provides a shortcut to the new Measure Items window, which consolidates features into Command Central for all measure item tasks. Using this new workbench for measures, I'm going to copy the actual sales measure items to quickly create new ones, adjusting them to be year-to-date. I can also add a measure item from scratch within this new measure item window. Simply choose whether a regular or calculated measure item is to be added. Adding a calculated measure item has been streamlined. The new calculation window consolidates many features, and helpful functions and examples are even more visible and accessible. This consolidation of properties saves time and clicks while defining calculations. Online help includes calculation examples that are easily accessible when creating your calculations. You can copy and then paste the expression for super easy creation. If you're going to be creating many calculated measure items, you may want to mark this topic as a favorite. It's full of examples that you can use in your definitions. Let's add a percentage change calculation. I can easily locate and use Stratum.Viewer functions to set up calculations, define the caption expression, and attach a percentage format. From this Command Central for measure item tasks, rearranging the measure items is easily done by clicking and dragging to desired positions. Our enhanced view compares monthly sales with their percent of total, and then year-to-date sales and the percentage change. With just a few clicks, I can now analyze year-to-date data and their percentage change. Attaching a conditional format to the new percentage change calculation will help us identify top performing brands. For those of you that use the View Explorer, it has been enhanced to let you show, hide, and remove multiple items at a time. The editing format is similar to the powerful measure item window. This view has quite a bit of rep-broker attribute relationships displayed. See how easily it is to hide all, show all, or select just a few? Within the redesigned View Explorer, multiple selections of different types of items can be hidden, displayed, or deleted. I can maintain individually or select or deselect the main level, and it will select, deselect all levels within it. For our example, rep broker, phone number, and postal code will be included. A drill-down view is another way to further analyze your data. In Viewer 6.9, we've enhanced the steps for choosing drill-down views. Let me demonstrate how easily it is to attach Budget View as a drill down from columns. This selection window offers a search and filter function, so locating things is always quick and easy. Now I simply click on RepBroker to drill down to the associated budget view and get a different look at my data. For you planning folks, notice the budget view is planning enabled. This is something else I'd like to show you that was enhanced for easier access in Viewer 6.9. The planning toggle is now available on the display options window, so you can easily toggle planning on and off. Also new to the display options window is the export type. We enhanced our Stratum Broadcast Server app with a new export type called Excel Data. If you need to export large amounts of data to use in other applications and are not concerned about capturing viewer formatting, charts, and things like conditional formats, you'll want to use the new Excel Data format. If you need a user-friendly report, then the Excel Report format, which is the format Viewer currently uses, is the one for you. Choose between these options while exporting directly from a view or while setting up an action. And if you're not a current broadcast server user, please contact your Silvon sales rep. Here's a view with over 300,000 rows and 8 columns in it. I can export this directly from Viewer or set up an action that would export the view with the new Excel Data format. Whichever way you choose, here's the exported results. I created this by running an action, and it took less than 5 minutes to process. The action will also generate an email that tells action recipients where they can find the data so they can retrieve it for however they need to use it. In wrapping up our demonstration of Viewer 6.9 features for helping you accomplish tasks quickly and efficiently, let me show you this new welcome window. It displays the first time you run a view in Viewer 6.9. This is just another method to give you easy access to information. Review the What's New document from this pop-up window. It includes details about 6.9 and a recap of other recent versions. I'd also like to point out that Viewer Online Help has been enhanced to auto-complete your search criteria entry, and you can easily search and identify topics as favorites. Let us tell you more about what else is new and how you can upgrade. Reach out to us by email, phone, or the Silvon website. A Silvon team member will get back to you with more details about version 6.9.